is November 25th on a Monday, and I want to bring to you a couple ideas. But first off, let's show you a picture I just found when I was my granddaughter's age. Oh boy. Yeah, that's me. Boy, oh boy. Long life I lived. I'm still living, day by day. Anyhow, I have a video on YouTube that is about stiletto shoes and making ring holders out of them. Okay? Not going to take you step by step on how I make these. It's already uploaded to the channel. What I want to bring to you today is a live video of the stilettos themselves and where I purchased them from, because people will be amazed how cheap a stiletto shoe like this costs. Because remember, you get them in a pair, so the cost for one isn't bad. So I started doing this idea years ago, but I always use repurposed shoes. And then I found the wholesale site, or it's basically a wholesale site, but I could still purchase them. I'm sure anybody else can once I give you the information. But they're already designed, and then you can even choose what size you want. Okay, now let's see. This one was my very first. It's a 6.5, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels on this, or 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. Because down here in the toe area is just, you know, stuffed. And here's a ring I used to make. It's from a bullet. Isn't that cute? I used to make a lot of jewelry and sell it back in the day. I do not sell jewelry anymore. In fact, the rings that you see me wear, this is stuff I used to sell. But then this one is my own that was given to me from my daughter and my grandchildren. But you see these rings, and I used to sell them. And then this is one of my own handmade creations. But anyhow, I started selling rings a lot, and I thought, what a way to display them, right? Okay? Instead of just buying, you know, a jewelry display, I made my own. And then I uploaded them to YouTube, and a lot of people have caught on to the idea. So this was my one of my first ones, and I've always kept it just to show people that it's very easy to do, and you can buy brand new. Now I have this one. And this one has an additional accessory to it. Let me move things down a little bit. This has a little area to hang necklaces. And here's a necklace I used to sell back in the day. But anywho, you could purchase these stilettos brand new. And like I said, some of them come decorated, some of them do not. This one just came in a purple velvet, and then I decorated it myself. And once again, here's another one of the rings that I made. I have a couple of them left. I have a few things left. But I use this for displaying this idea, okay? And this is for Miss Everly. She's too little to give it to her, so I have created it, placed it up on the shelf, and there it sits until she gets older to appreciate it. And I made one for Miss Legacy too. And Miss Legacy's is, I think, out in the living room somewhere. I'm not sure. But this is Everly's, and this one is a size 6.5 again. But if you're interested in making these, because I make these now every year for Miss Legacy's teachers that she has, and I'm going to make one this year. Or no, it's going to be for Valentine's Day. So basically, I'll probably make it next month, but it'll be for February. And I wanted to show you where I found a really great place to buy these brand new. And if you don't want to make jewelry, You can find shoes to wear that's really inexpensive. I have my YouTube channel playing right now. Because I want to hear some music. Anyhow, I got this box in the mail today. I was going to order green, and I found some really pretty green velvet stilettos because my grandchild's teacher likes green, but I did not. Now, I haven't pulled this out of the package yet. I just started, and then I thought, you know what, I'm going to make a video about this today. So here we go. I just ordered these, probably 5 days ago, so shipping's pretty fast with this company. Oh, and that's what I like about this. Okay, let me take my glasses off. My eyes have been bothering me quite a bit for about 4 months now. I went in and had an optometrist look at my eyes, and he says they're bleeding. So, needless to say, I'm having a very hard time focusing. You'll notice that in my videos. Sometimes I miss a step, or I'm not seeing that step, so I make mistakes. But oh well, what can I do? Anyhow, oh boy, this is exactly what I ordered. Check this out. And they even give you extra rhinestones. I love that idea. That is very important, especially for these types of shoes. You're buying them for the decoration, right? So let me open up one of them. Place this one over here. Remember, you get two. Wow, look at that. I think she'll like that more than she'll like that green. And then I don't have to decorate the outside of it. I could just decorate the inside of it and maybe find a pendant for the front. Maybe. This is Lorraine brand. This is a size 9. Okay. What did I pay for these? Let me see if I can find my receipt, because I think it flew out when I pulled out the box. Here I go. Receipt. $10.88. That makes it less than $6 for one. Okay? This is why I wanted to bring this video to you today and show you. Look at the quality. There's not even a missing rhinestone on here, but they give them to you. And then it has the little stopper so they can stuff that heel, prevent shipment from bending it and breaking it. That helps. So they pack them extremely well. And I say, if you're going to get married, if you have a prom coming up, go to this site, okay? This is beautiful. Now let's look at the other one, just in case there might be a missing rhinestone and then I miss showing it to you on the video. Let's check this one out. Not a missing rhinestone. Isn't that something else? $10.88. This is my tip for you all today. Nice little hooks too. Haven't found a use to repurpose these yet, but you know, they remind me of stakes that you put in when you pitch a tent. When you pitch a tent outside, you get those metal rods that you have to stick in the ground. That's what those remind me of, because they have that little hook. So anyways, like I said, these have the cutest little rhinestones that come in a pack. And if you don't ever need the rhinestones, place them in your jewelry kit. Now my shipping was $10.80. I do have to mention, I only bought one box. Last year I purchased 6 or 7 boxes and I had free shipping. So it just depends on the amount, you know, they promote their site And they have to pay to ship this out, and these are heavy. So yeah, 1088's not bad. So you're looking at $21.88 from this company. Okay, company's name, Wholesale Fashion Shoes. I repeat, Wholesale Fashion Shoes. Google it, look through the site. They have sandals, they have cowboy boots, they have slippers, they have oh my gosh, various shoes and stuff on sale, which right now I've seen a lot of sandals because of the winter coming in. The sandals are going on clearance. So there you go. You can't say I didn't finally tell you. Hey folks, here's the website. And right now, what's new, wholesalefashionshoes.com. It's this cute pink woman's boot, $18.88. Only available size in 5 and 7 right now. But this is the site. This is what it looks like. Let's see what's next. Rose gold strap-on toe heel. Oh, okay. It's just a regular little, cute little sandal type shoe. Not for our cold weather here in Michigan. Okay, so let's go into Little Princess. So the kids section, see, and have these cute little flats, sandals. 1088, 1088, 1088. And there's some winter boots. 1788, 1488. Okay, so yeah, since they are very reasonable in price, there is limited selections of sizes too. So, but then you have your last call, and these are shoes that are only $8, if that. And I found a lot of the, like, look at this red one. That would be an excellent ring holder or a centerpiece. I make a centerpiece out of one of these shoes for Christmas. Even though I'm in the farmhouse, next year we're going to do Paris, so centerpieces with shoes. Okay, I think this is the green that I was talking to you about. It has a clear side, so if I were to use material that I want to use, it would show through there, and that would be fine, because if I'm making this for the teacher and she likes a specific college, I can find that college material and then make my rolls in order for me to build the ring holder inside. And so it'd be really pretty to see that. Yeah. Now next, I seen those, so I was going to get those. Yes, this is the site. It is online. Okay? wholesalefashionshoes.com. So once again, thanks for watching. Stick around, subscribe, and we adults can craft up a storm. And I'll bring to you more ideas, old ideas, new ideas, fads that people are crafting, or stuff that I crafted when I was with my grandmother. I have still yet to remember the marble lamp that she made. She made a lamp out of marbles. Never forget it. I don't remember if it was in a kit or what, but boy, I would love to find that these days, having a marble lamp. Okay, send my blessings to you and your family from me and mine. Here is the other snowflake that I made earlier on the channel, just a couple days ago. This is the one my son didn't want, so I strung it with some blue lights. What do you think? It's beautiful. Oh, Dollar Tree, except for the lights. I bought the lights at Home Depot, of course. Hey, subscribers, here's an update on my son, Snowflake. The last Snowflake you've seen in my YouTube video. I said it was for my son, along with the loop-de-loop candy cane wreath. Well, he told me, after everything was said and done, that everything was too white. And then he wanted an ice blue melted in with purple. Now, what he was thinking that I should achieve is dipping each clothes hanger, like an acrylic pour, or dipping it so that it would marbleize. I was not going to do that. I don't have a deep enough bucket, first of all, to mix these paints in, and then to dip every single clothes hanger. So what I did, I went online, I found some automotive metallic blue paint. It took me 3 days to lightly coat the Snowflake. Then I went to Dollar Tree and found me the Dollar Tree Christmas trees, and I spray painted them purple. Okay, then I attached it to the Snowflake, and that was another day. And then by the 5th day, I added glitter dust. Now, I brought this outside so if you can see it. I'm not sure. The glitter dust is barely showing, but it is here. It is on this Snowflake. So, anywho, this is his Snowflake. The white one that you seen originally, that is on my front porch, and it is lit up with blue lights from Home Depot. This one is his. This is the final results, and he can do what he wants with his decoration. But I brought it outside to show you just how pretty it did turn out. It's not a color for everybody, and I wish that glitter dust would show out here in the sunshine, but it is not. So anyhow, the 6 Christmas trees from Dollar Tree, shaped into the Snowflake, attached with pipe cleaners. And then, of course, let's see if there's some glitter dust right there. Can you see that or not? It is sprayed. Anyhow, this is finished. And this is what it looks like. There is a metallic Winter Wonderland Snowflake from Dollar Tree attached to the center. Nothing is glued. Everything is attached either with pipe cleat or zip ties and fishing line. Did you hear my kitty meowing earlier? She came out in her little catio. They still have their catio access right now. It's not exactly in the middle of the winter yet. Today's supposed to be 40. But I did place this little privacy snow barrier in the front of it right now for the winter. If it gets really, really cold out here, I'll just seal up the little flappy door that they have access to. But she was out here meowing to me a few minutes ago. She thought I was talking to her. But she went back in. She gave up. So yeah, some of the purple glitter dust is on the hanger too. Wow. Alright, so here's the update on the Snowflake. I hope you enjoyed the video I just uploaded about the teacher's gifts ideas. I'll add this part to this video, and we'll see you next time. Subscribe and hashtag Artist Freedom. You do any color you want. No law. No rule to anything. Bless.